Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are preparing for CFA Level 1 exams, then I'm sure you are knowing what real challenges you are facing, and the biggest challenge that is faced by any candidate for Level 1 preparation is the curriculum is quite big and you have learnt it well, fine, but how to recap the whole thing, how to have good retention of everything that you have learnt, how to have more and more clarity about concepts, particularly when one thing is linked to the other. So it is time for you to reignite your clarity, boost your retention, and for this purpose I am coming up with a revision series. This revision series will have multiple sessions where I am going to take up the discussion on all challenging and important topics. This is going to help you to revise the whole content of CFA Level 1 in as less time as possible and with complete impactful revision preparation, and this will be followed by a very good series of mock test. So what I have done, topic wise and subject wise, I have listed all the revision sessions in the description box and in the pinned comment given below. You can pick the topics for your revision in any order you want, but my recommendation would be to go with the order that I have specified. That will be best. Now you can just make this revision along with me highly impactful for yourself, and don't worry, this is easily doable. This challenge what you are facing can be knocked off, so let's do it together.